Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add vitamin C to your skincare. First, begin with a clean canvas. Use a mild facial cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities from your skin. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Gently pat your face dry with a soft towel, ensuring it's not completely dry but still a little damp. This helps with better product absorption. Now it's time for the star ingredient. Take 3 to 5 drops of your chosen vitamin C serum and warm it between your fingertips. Gently press the serum onto your face, neck, and décolletage. Avoid rubbing vigorously. Allow the serum to fully absorb into your skin for about 2 minutes before moving to the next step. After the vitamin C serum has absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer. This helps to hydrate your skin and lock in the benefits of the serum. Finally, and crucially, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Vitamin C can increase sun sensitivity, so protection is key for optimal results and skin health. Consistency is vital for seeing the best results from your vitamin C routine. Aim to use it every morning. Remember to store your vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency, as it can degrade with light and air exposure. Over time, you'll notice brighter, more even-toned skin. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.